may tao lumalabas.
Yes.
Oo. Dapat doon ba? Lagi muna kaya ang live na. Malapit na dito. Para lang itong bali ng tao. Pwede naman dito.
Pwede naman ganyan.
Sabi mo naman, bakit niya ka? Dapat doon. Doon nga, doon nga.
Tayo.
Siguro.
Ika na?
Ating first runner-up, Miss Universe.
Saan lalabas yun?
Nasa ano po siya? Nasa VIP lang.
Lalabas pa ba eh? Wala naman nakasigil ah.
Kung lalabas siya, siyempre kailangan tulong siya.
Naka-connect ka sa Wi-Fi?
Yes.
Ha?
Yung free.
Ito? Paki-off nga. Ano nangyari dyan? Ayan, okay lang.
Wala pa nag-ano.
Ayan, ayaw mo ako. Power off? Okay, power off mo. Thank you.
So, hello, the Philippine Pageant Reviewers. Ang bilis ng mga pangyayari. Good evening. Yan. So, bali, dumating na po si Miss Universe Thailand First Runner-Up 2023. Antonia, and sinalubong po siya ng ating Miss Universe Philippines 2023, Michelle D. Now po, dumiretso po sila dun sa may VIP lounge. So, yan. So, bali, alam niya naman na po, when it comes to arrival po, kailangan po muna siya dumaan sa mga process. And we are waiting for them po na lumabas. So, tayo, together with the other media partners or and pageant vloggers are waiting for them.
Wala.
Yun. So, 3,000 followers na tayo. Yes. So, sa mga naka-tune in kanina, nakita nyo po, apakaganda po ng ating Miss Universe 2023, Michelle D. Ang bilis hindi agad natin nahagip sa camera yung pagpasok nila sa VIP lounge. Pero at least, we are sure na Miss Thailand has arrived. Okay, so bali while waiting, basa muna tayo ng mga comments. Hindi ko na siya maumpisahan, pero Cecil Benitez, welcome here in Manila, Philippines, Miss Antonia, for still the blessing is here in Ninoy International Airport. Yes.
Yes, good evening once again, ladies and gentlemen.
May Dicon, nagkita na sila. Yes, nagkita na nga sila. Yan. So, sa mga nakatune in, share nyo lang po yung ating video para po, ayan, mapanood pa po siya ng iba pa po nating, avid mga pageant fans. Welcome, Miss Antonia, mabuhay. Okay. Shout out sa'yo, Mark De Vera. Dumating na ba siya, Sam? Yes. Shinsi, thank you po sa live. No problem po. 4D. Nasaan na po sila? Pumasok po sila ng VIP lounge. Ayan, yung makikita niyo pong pintuan, yan po yung VIP lounge kung saan pumasok po si Miss Thailand, Antonia Porsley, and ang ating Miss Universe, Michelle B. Thank you for the live. You're welcome, Natividad Rabang. The blessing is here. Yes, Shalimar Malyanaw. Oy, may pag-mention, Charles Dalil Tayabas. Thank you for the sharing and blessing. And the reason talaga. Welcome to the Philippines, Miss Antonia Polly Rabe. Mabuhay, Avocado Suris. Okay. 4D, nagkita na. The blessing is here. Yes, 4D. Nandito na siya. Dumating na ba siya? Yes. What country is this? Are you asking for our country or Miss Antonia's countries? If yes, we are in the Philippines and Miss Antonia came from Thailand and now is in the Philippines. Watching from Hong Kong, Vivasha Dayo. Thank you po sa pag-tune in. Salamat. Welcome, Antonia Chanel Vizcara. Kinilig tuloy ako. Who watching from Cebu. Jen VMR. Salamat, sir. Thank you for the kindness, love, and support to our lovely Queen Antonia. Yes. Sinong kasama mong nag-live dyan? Francine Angopra. Ay, eto na po siya. Ayan. Oh my God. Ayan na po si Antonia.
Ay, saan sila pupunta?
Okay. Wait lang. Lilipat po pala siya.
Oh my God, ayun na sila. Oh my God. Try para maging okay ka. Kung bumagsak.
Ayan na siya. Okay, viewers, nandito na po.
Antonia! Antonia!
Finally! You're so beautiful!
Hi, Ma!
Okay.
First round. Can you tell us the purpose of your video?
There you go.
Beautiful girl.
Very exciting, and that you guys are definitely watching something but I can't say the exact details. I'll give you guys a hint.
So, ayan na.
Hindi ba
How bad do you miss each other since the Miss Universe competition?
we haven't stopped talking. We haven't stopped talking to each other, no. Yeah, we keep in touch. Of course, we can miss each other.
Oh my God. How many days will you be staying here? How short?
We're leaving on the 31st.
Okay.
Yes. The time is on this
Until
side.
31st.
Where do you plan to take her out?
Yes!
Well, first of all, we have to see how packed our schedule is. Hopefully, we can find
Tonya.
Hi, Michelle. Say hello to Alex from LA Times. Los Angeles Times. I'm just on vacation. How are you?
Tanya.
Hi. Say hi, Alex. Thank
Tanya
you.
here.
Beautiful girl.
Obviously, we choose to try our amazing Pinoy food. We're both very good.
Yes.
Adobo is my favorite. I've been hearing it a lot, so I will be able to try.
Antonia, is this your first time to visit Manila?
Yes, my first trip to the Philippines, but I definitely want to come back.
I'm so excited. I hope you stay long. I hope you change your mind and stay longer here.
Yes.
Well, Antonia's a very busy woman. But I would even if you find that maybe I'll come for a week next time.
What do you hear about the Philippines? What do you hear about the Philippines?
That the people are very nice, the food is very good, and the beaches are good. And most people know that I'm a beach gal, so I definitely go back.
Antonio, what do you think is the secret of your chemistry with Michelle? And Michelle, what do you think? Because your fans are waiting outside and they've been cheering for you. They've been waiting for you.
They're so sweet. I saw messages that they were at opposite side. But honestly, I don't think there's any secret of great chemistry. Just similarities. So I just I agree with Michelle. But I think the most important thing is that we were both very true to us who we are, and that's why we're trying to think we're trying to do more than each other. We're just friends who genuinely can authenticity. I mean, as you know, when you compete internationally, it's not really a rivalry, it's really creative system. And you know, Cordy really stands for unity. Just happy that we're
Say hello to your fans in LA. I'm from LA Times. All the Filipinos in LA.
Isa pa, isa pa.
Thank you. Have fun in Manila.
Bye.
So, hello.
Sawadika! Gang!
Uy, baka pwedeng kumain na tayo.
siya, huwag masyado malapit siya. Pinakadulo po, pinakadulo na, pinakadulo.
Wala pa akong picture sa kanya.
Meron na.
Ay, kasi wala akong phone na magamit.
Mamaya, yung isang ano, yan lang yun, tsaka yun. Tinry ko lang, tsaka. Ayun, masaka nagahang kasi. Di ba naman yung mga yan, mabigil sa... Ay!
Papa.
Grabe guys, konto ang mga fans dito. Alam yan, Gen Z.
Selfie ka? Diyan na ito. Diyan na. Parehas na lang parehas.
Blessing is here!
Lalong dumami yung tao dito sa labas ng arrival area. Hindi namin expected na ganito kadami ang kakalugin. Antonia. Andito rin ang mga Going for sila.
Ate, nahulog ko yung ano ko. Antonia! Antonia, you want to stay forever?
Ayan, so nakasakay na po ng kotse si Miss Antonia, saka ang ating queen, Michelle D. Yan, so finally, after po ng pakikipag-banding niya sa fans, yan, so bali, na pagbigyan naman po niya lahat na makapag-sign po ng autograph and at the same time makapagpa-picture po sa kanya mga fans. So if you're going to check, ayan, ito po yung mga fans na naghihintay po sa kanya. Ayan, mabilisan po yung mga pangyayari. Yung akala po natin na payapang arrival lang po ni Miss Antonia and Michelle D. Hindi po natin inaasahan na marami po palang fans na ang dadagsa po dito sa kanya. Ayan, so Nag-cheer pa po sila. Ayan, so paalis na po sila. So dito na po, magtatapos po ang ating live coverage po sa arrival po ni Miss Antonia, Miss Thailand. And see you tomorrow po sa kanya pong press con. So hindi na ako basta ng mga comments, guys. Sorry, sobrang bilis kasi ng mga pangyayari. So if you would like to support the Philippine pageantry, yan, baka pwede na po kayo mag-send ng stars. Yan. Yan. So ito po yung car niya, paalis na po sila, si 4D. And that's it for our live po. See you on your next live coverage po. Thank you po sa mga viewers. See you on our next live po. Thank you po sa nag-send ng stars. Yan. Thank you.